Hi, this is Babes again. Today my recipe is cheese bread. You can make it in oven as well as in a pan. So let's get started. If you like my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment below. I have taken 3 tablespoons of butter, which is in room temperature. I have taken some chili flakes, some mozzarella cheese, 3 tablespoons mozzarella cheese, pepper, oregano and fine herbs. First, I am going to put some herbs into it. Then I'm going to put some chili flakes. I'll put some oregano and some pepper. Now I'm going to mix it down. Mix it properly. And you can also keep it in the fridge if you want. If you have extra, you can also keep it in the fridge and you can use it later on. The butter should be room temperature. So now we have got breads. Now I've got some breads here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut into pieces like this. You can cut as your choice, or what shape you want, it's your choice. I'm cutting it this way, and then I'm going to apply here that I have made a paste. So put it generously. So you'll cut the bread and put it generously, the paste that we have made. After that, after putting this, we're going to put cheese. It is your choice how much cheese you want to put. Take a tray with tracing paper. I have already preheated the oven for around 7 minutes. Now I am going to put this into the oven and keep it there for around 7 to 8 minutes. We have put the bread into the oven now. It will take 7 minutes, put in full temperature and wait for the cheese and the butter to melt, and it will become crispy too. Wait for 7 minutes. After that you can take it out and have it. Another way you can do is, if you don't have an oven, you can use a pan. You can heat it and you can just put this bread, sim it and cover it for some time. My cheese bread is ready. These are made in oven and these are in the pan. So you will just love it. It's so crispy and nice. I have one and I'll just taste and show you. Delicious. It's so delicious.